5 times. Let's do it.
Yes. Upper roller, lower, lower. Upper lower, lower, lower. Upper roller, lower, lower. Upper lower, lower, lower. Upper lower, lower.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red.
Upper roller, lower roller. 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 Upper roller, lower roller.
All right. Hello and welcome to Learn English with Fun Classes, guys. We are going to have a wonderful activity today. I have a box. There are so many chits into this box, and I have filled this box with the tongue twisters of English. That may be upper roller, lower roller. That may be fresh fried fish. That may be kitty caught a kitten in the kitchen. That may be red lorry, yellow lorry, right? So Anand is very expert at doing this upper roller, lower roller. He is very expert though. So that will be a lot of fun and enjoyable activity as well. Why are we having this activity? Because when we give you this mic, you do not dare to speak. But when we put them into the activity, you love to speak and you enjoy speaking, right? And that's what we want. The more you speak, the better you revise and learn each and everything, right? That is why we have converted this class today into this activity. As you can see, there are so many chits inside the box. Now I'm going to start this. Everybody has understood. Say yes loudly if you have understood. Yes. Good job. Now we're going to start this first with the most senior student of this batch, Miss Pari. Please put your hands together for Pari. Here you go.
Hello everyone, I am Pari and I am saying this line. Fresh fried fish. Let's start it. Fresh fried fish, fresh fried fish, fresh fried fish, fresh fried fish, fresh fried fish.
Fresh fried fish. You have done it. Keep it with you. Keep it with you. All right. Next, we have Mr. Prateek. All right. This is for you.
Hello everyone, good evening to all. I am Pratik Raj from class 7. Today I am saying these lines. Upper roller, lower loader. 5 times.
5 times. Let's do it.
Yes. Upper roller, lower lower. Upper lower, lower lower. Upper roller, lower lower. Upper lower, lower lower. Upper lower, lower lower. Upper lower, lower lower.
By the way, it was not accurate. Would you like to try this once again? All right.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Upper roller, lower lower. Upper lower.
All right, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pratik. You tried really well. It was really nice. Please appreciate him, guys. That was really good. That he tried. He tried. That was really nice. इन्होंने try किया वो अच्छा था. Next we have. Next, I'd like to give this task to our handsome of this batch.
Hi everyone, good evening to all. My name is Krishna Kumar and I want to talk about red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red.
Go ahead.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry.
Okay, very nice. He tried. He kept trying. That was really nice. Keep this chat with you. Next, I'd like to give this chance to. I'd like to give this chance to Mr. Purple. Please welcome. Come outside. Stand there. Take one chit.
Proper copper coffee pot. 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 Thank you.
Very
That's
nice,
all.
guys. It was very good. He did it without any mistake. There was no any mistake. He did it perfectly. Next, I'd like to invite for this Mr. Anand. Come fast. Yes. Take this. He is very expert at saying upper roller, lower roller. He can say it 50 times. He can say this line for 50 times. Yes, Anand?
Yes, sir.
So say it only 10 times.
Hello everyone, good evening to all. My name is Anand Kumar.
I am talk about upper roller, lower roller 5 times. Upper roller, lower roller, 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 upper roller, lower roller.
Without any error, without any error.
I have found a single student after me, those who can repeat this line. Even I cannot repeat it that fluent that he did. Wonderful, wonderful, Anand. That was wonderful. Thank you. Next, we have Mr. Kanhaiya. Come fast. You have also got the same line. Go ahead.
Hello everyone, good evening to all. Today I say this line: upper lower lower roller, 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 upper lower
Upper
lower roller.
roller. This is roller. Upper roller.
So I say
Yes, you say it. Repeat it.
upper lower lower roller,
Upper roll, lower. You are saying upper lower. Upper roller.
upper lower
Upper roller.
upper roller lower roller, upper lower lower roller, upper lower lower roller,
Upper roller.
upper roller lower roller, upper lower
Upper roller. Do it once again.
upper roller lower roller, upper low
Roller.
upper roller lower roller, upper lower lower roller, upper lower lower roller, upper lower lower
Do it
roller,
5 times once again. 5 times. 5 times if you want.
upper roller lower roller, upper lower lower roller, upper lower lower roller, upper
Fine, thank you. Thank you for your efforts. Kanhaiya, thank you so much for your efforts that you put. Alright, next we have, who is left? Mr. Ayush, come fast.
Hello everyone, good evening to all. I am Ayush Gautam from class 7. I say that line: red blood, bad blood. 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 Red blood, bad blood.
It's not red, it's a red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Do it once again. Red blood, bad blood.
Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood.
Very nice, thank you. Thanks for your efforts. Next, take it. Next we're gonna have Manzil. Come outside. Very nice. Good. Do it once. Keep it with you. Do it. Go ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Manzil Khan and today I am gonna say this line 5 times. So let's start. Upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower
Do
roller,
it quick. Don't take time.
upper roller, lower roller,
Speed.
upper roller, lower
Yes,
roller,
yes.
upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower
Do it
roller,
once again. 5 times.
upper roller, lower roller,
Speed.
upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, lower.
Go ahead. Complete it.
Upper roller, lower roller, upper lower.
Good job.
I want to change this.
No, you don't have any option. You don't have any option. See, Anand, he did it 10 times, 15 times, back to back.
Upper roller, lower roller, 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 upper.
Leave it. Thank you. Thanks for your efforts. Next we have Chota Vishal.
Hello everyone, I am Vishal Kumar. I want to talk about this line. Red blood, bad blood. 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 Red blood,
Yes, you are doing good job.
red blood, bad blood. Thank you.
Do it 5 times. 5 times without stopping, without stopping. Now non-stop you have to speak.
Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood.
Very nice. Thank you, man. Thank you. You did good job. Take a seat. Nana Sharma, come fast.
3 free throws. Let's start. 3 free rows. 3 free
Throws.
throws. 3 free 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 throws. Thank you.
No, she did well. चीटिंग है सर, देख देख के सर. You have a wonderful chance. Lucky draw. ठीक है. Go ahead.
Hi everyone, good evening to all. I am Shiv Shankar Sawan from class 9th. Today I am going to repeat this line. Proper copper coffee pot, 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 proper copper coffee pot. Thank you, that's all.
It was really great. What is my experience from this activity that I am gonna tell you guys? He did fantastically. I have never found a person who could repeat this line, upper roller, lower roller, consistently or back to back for many times. But he did more than 15 times, I guess, right? So please, a huge round of applause for Anand. According to me, for this today's class, he is the winner actually.